You pop the bead like that. This is just a little dish soap. Don't need anything too fancy here. We'll pop the other side here. Now, if you got a tire pressure sensor, you got to watch out for that. You probably want to do it over here or somewhere else so you don't break that sensor off. But this car, it doesn't have it. So, one last thing. There we go. And we'll slick this side up. Now you gotta watch for the low spot. The low spot on this one is closest to the side with the valve stem. And that's how most car tires are. What you gotta do here, I just have a couple of these bars. Gonna go in, catch the bead in a couple spots. And then you gotta step on this side and get that tire into the low spot. Side. And then there's nothing too fancy about this side. This isn't the method to use if you got wheels you don't care about, or if you care about them, you don't want to do them this way. There we go. Now we got to take off the old weights. Okay. All right, now we'll slick this bead up. This one, again, if you got a tire pressure monitor sensor here, well, I'm going over here, this inner bead should just push around. And then this one, I like to stand on them to keep that bead in the trough. Go. Now my particular air chuck won't work on a valve stem without a core, but usually it's a lot faster to do it without the core. But when you're seating the bead, stay back behind here. Don't get your fingers in there. It'll snap out hard in a minute. Oh! Alright, I've knocked a little centerpiece out of my tire, out of my wheel here. And I have zeroed this. There's a bubble level on this. This is a Harbor Freight portable tire balancer. And I've zeroed this bubble. So now, we'll let it stop shaking, and we'll see where it settles. We'll turn it this way. Let's see if the heavy spot follows. So this side is heavy over here, so we're going to need wheel weights on the valve stem side. What I like to do is turn this 90 degrees on the balancer and see if the tire still balances that way. Yep, so we're going to need some weights over there. So what I like to do is just take some weights, and that got us pretty dang good. Well, that's right on the money. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. There's a little bubble in there. And then if you bump the tire, you can watch it. And if you get right over top, it's hard to see with this phone, but we got the bubble in the window. We can almost move these over here. Yeah, see, we're dang, it's pretty much right on. So I'll get the back of the wheel cleaned off, stick those on, good to go. Put it back on, 3 down, 1 more to go. So these cars, this is a Volkswagen Jetta, and they use wheel bolts. It's kind of a pain, because there's nothing to hold the tire on while you're putting lug nuts on, so you kind of gotta keep to line everything up. And they make guide studs. Not too cheap to buy them. There we go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that one. Tires aren't too bad to do, and they can be done with some bars and some simple tools. So we'll get on the next one, and then we'll have good tires for winter. Thanks for watching.